Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Mari and today we're going to create this brush, this neon brush. And before starting, I want to tell you that the pre-sales of my course, Creating Brushes in Procreate, the Good, the Bad and the Ugly, is open. And it is now with an early bird price. Sign up. So, today, this brush, I'm gonna tell you some little secret that is also included in the video course, is that I like to start my canvas for the brushes with a 4000 or by a 6000 by 6000. This canvas is 4000 by 4000 pixels. If you don't know how to create a 4000 by 4000 pixel canvas, check the video here. Now, to start, we are going to turn off this layer and take a new layer here on top. My layer for the background is almost black and I'm using a grid to help myself see where the middle of the canvas is. For turning on that drawing guide, you go here to settings, canvas, and turn this on. Edit the drawing guide, choose a color that is not white, the opacity as you like, and I like to have a larger grid size. It normally starts like this, so I will use a larger grid size. Done. Okay, now we choose the airbrush that comes with Procreate, a soft brush, and white. I will delete my other layer just in case I don't have enough layers here. Okay, select white as I said, and 100% here in the size, very important. We're going to tap twice softly in the middle. 1, 2. You may not see something, but there is something over here. And to check if you actually draw something in that layer, just select the layer, and you can see something is selected. Okay, let's create a new layer. And now in here, we're going to reduce the size to 80%. And again, 2 taps, 1, 2. And a new layer. We continue sizing down to 60. I think it was 60, 61. Okay, 60, 2 taps, 1, 2. That last one was a bit hard, so I'm going to erase it, create last one, and next one a little bit softer. Next layer, this is the 4th layer, and we're going to go to 40. Now we do 1, 2. We go a 5th layer, and we take to 20%. And we do 1, 2. Great. Now a 6th layer, and we're going to change the brush to the calligraphy brush monoline. Maximum size is still too small. Let me show you. It's too small to what I want. So let me erase it. I will go to the monoline size, go to properties and increase the maximum size to 100. 100, that's kind of fine. Let me see how it looks. For me, it is still too small to what I want to create, so I will erase it and increase to, let me see, for 350. Maybe that's the one I'm looking for. There, 350. Now we're going to turn off the background color with 3 fingers down, select copy all, and now let me take you to my neon brush set over here. You can download this neon brush set in the link below as well. And we're going to create a new brush in the plus, reduce the spacing, stabilization for now is off, anything with the tapper is off. We go to shape, edit, import, paste. Click done. Now it's looking a little bit like a neon brush, but we're going to add something. The grain, I will tell you later which grain I like for neon, but so far I will leave it without the grain. The rendering. This is the important part for a neon brush. We're going to uniform or intense blending. You can create two brushes, one with uniform blending, one with intense blending, so you can see the difference. And here in blend mode, I like it to put add and luminance blending. And that's it. Wet mix, charge off, because I don't want anything to do with water here. You can see color dynamics is off, everything dynamics is off. In the pencil, I like to add some changes with pressure to change the size of my brush, but that is my liking. And then just increase the maximum size a little bit so I can have more here. I will add some stabilization actually, because I like it for writing and more smooth lines. Click done. Let's try it out. I take my background color again back, and all of these layers I will group them by sliding them and then select group, so I can turn them off, all of them at once. New layer. Let's try with a bright yellow. Let's see how it looks with my yellow. Now let's see how it looks with red. Now you can see how this neon works. You can add some texture to this part. I like the cloud texture that comes with Procreate, but you can add any other texture you want. Let me show you how it looks. Open this, create a grain, edit, import, source library, and we search for clouds here. Done. I don't change anything here, but you can if you want, and see what happens when you change the patterns. Now let's create another line so you can see the difference. You can see now the texture in the brighter part, in the softer part of the bright. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial today. Remember, there is an opening of an early bird prize in my upcoming course. Check it out. I hope you like this tutorial today. Comment what you want to see next and what will you be doing with this. Just tag me also in your Instagram so I can see it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.